And now, please join me in welcoming Mr. Noriyaki Yamashita, the president of Toyota Motor Thailand Company Limited, on the stage to give the opening remarks.
Sawadee. This is a video of 60th anniversary event of Toyota Motor Thailand last 2 years. For Chairman Akio Toyoda's, IMV remains one of his fondest memories of his careers. Also, he loves Thailand. Thailand is truly the land of smile, and the warmth and the kindness of its people truly inspired him, and me as well. Moreover, we realized IMV project formulated a close bond between Thai people and the Toyotas. That is why we can say thank you, arigato, kopunka to each other. Since the launch of the first generation of IMV in 2004, we delivered 2.7 million units to Thai customers. We believe many customers had a good experience and memories with our IMV. IMVs with conversion and customizations created their own story following their unique lifestyle. And they become their beloved cars and created their memorable stories. On top of domestic sales, we have exported over 4 million IMVs to over 120 countries all over the world. Together with high local content, IMV contribute to economic growth of Thailand and created jobs. It was realized through trusting IMV and Toyotas from Thai customers together with the support from the Thai government. So, IMV was called the national car of Thailand. It will create the relation between Thai people and Toyotas that allow us to express our appreciation to each other. Everyone, thank you very much. Arigato, kopunbaka. The automotive industry is now facing an era of profound transformation. The lifestyle of Thai people also has been changed. Under this situation, IMV-0 shows our determination to convey our token of our appreciation to all Thai people as the national car of Thailand. In every stage of development, we investigate whether our vehicle could truly bring happiness to Thai customer or not. That is why our IMV-0 team spent a lot of time in the field together with dealers to observe the lifestyle and needs of our potential customers. When we started IMV project, Chairman Akio Toyoda said that this project is not just new model introduction, but it is a project to make our future better and brighter together with Thai people. With these words, we developed IMV-0 back into the origin of IMV once again. So we name it as Hilux Champ to express our true thought back to IMV origin. After Mr. Toyoda showed IMV-0 concept last 2 years, IMV ran in Bulan 25-hour endurance race as a press cars and rebelled in Indonesia and Philippines, then show in Japan Mobility Show in October. Thankfully, there are plenty of positive feedbacks as the vehicle could create a future. So we are feeling big expectation from our customers. Furthermore, we gain collaboration from many local bodybuilders who are also attending today's event. Thank you very much. Toyota and our bodybuilders aim to develop various conversion curves together since the development stage. Today, we'd like to introduce 10 conversion curves as just examples. Its shapes is infinitely customizable, depend on customer needs. On top of that, under the close collaboration with several business partners, we prepared new affordable value chain services. Our ultimate wish is Hilux Champ and Hilux Level will be a number one in the heart of our customers, and the vehicle that brings smile and happiness to Thai people more and more. As you may know, pickup market this year has declined significantly. We would like to stimulate the pickup market with Hilux Champ together with Thai people. Again, Hilux Champ was developed to show our determination to convey our token of appreciation to all Thai peoples as the national car of Thailand. And we would like to create the great future together with our Thai customers. So, we would like to keep the relation between Thai people and Toyota that's allowed to experience their appreciation to each other. Everyone, thank you very much. Arigato. Kopumaka.
In emerging countries, where progress is a shared dream, we aspire to be more than just a mode of transportation. We seek to become the steadfast company that supports business, lifestyle, and the pursuit of brighter future. Hello everyone, my name is Jira. I'm the Chief Engineer of Hilux Champ. Today, I'm honored to introduce Hilux Champ that is born from the very essence of our vision, providing mobility for all. Our aim is to elevate mobility to a realm where it uplifts, empowers, and transforms life. The Hilux Champ stands as a testament to this aim, a vehicle that bridges the gap between practicality and aspiration. At the heart of the Hilux Champ lies a commitment to listening to our customers. Our development journey has been shaped by extensive interviews conducted across various countries in Asia, Africa, and South America. We heard the voice of entrepreneurs, private business owners, and individuals who balance the demands of work and family. A certain farmer in our region stated, "I deliver vegetable from a province to the city, which takes 3 hours. I need a car that can reduce traveling time and allows me to meet the delivery timing." Additionally, there was also another individual stated, "During the weekdays, I use the cargo space for delivery work. But on weekend, when I go out with my family, I want to decorate the exterior according to my own preference." Their perspective have guided us to shape our idea into concept for a vehicle that reflects their needs, desires, and dreams. A vehicle with versatility, freedom of usage, and customization, supporting both business and personal usage, and its expandable design ensure it evolves with you. It's not just about functionality, it's about enhancing the human experience. The Hilux Champ has been engineered to offer superior comfort, heightened security, and improved logistic capacity. It responds to diverse needs. Furthermore, this vehicle isn't just a vehicle, it's a national endeavor rooted in the needs of emerging countries. The IMV series has been a catalyst for growth and progress. Our aim is to create a vehicle that is not only practical, but also accessible, contributing to the development of entire region. With compact, multi-conversion options and accessibility as our guiding principles, we we have crafted the Hilux Champ. It's more than just a vehicle, it's your partner that covers vast territories, carrying both cargo and dreams. But accessibility remains at the core of our mission. In our pursuit to create a vehicle that transcends the conventional, we aim to be a part of communities, a vehicle loved by people and deeply rooted in their lives. Our aspiration is for the Hilux Champ to not merely be a finished product, but a canvas upon which each community can paint its unique needs, colors, and aspirations. For example, it can be used as a camper van for enjoying quality time with the family, a mobile cafe for personal business, serve as a support vehicle in government emergency service, or even be customized into a stylishly decked out vehicle. The uses as customization options are endless. In conclusion, I invite all of you to join hands as we embark on this remarkable journey. With your support, the Hilux Champ will be more than a mode of transportation. It will be a beacon of progress, a symbol of unity, and a source of inspiration. Our chairman Akio always told me that completion should not be rushed. Let's listen to customers and focus on what they really need in this car. I strongly believe this is the way to build a national beloved car. I enjoy and learn a lot from customers during the development journey. Now, I'm very excited to finally introduce this vehicle to you. Let's unite to pursue the car that is rooted in the region and will be cherished by everyone